I'm an event planner from Hyderabad. I run a company called Rhythm Events and it feels awesome to receive second time my TCI Sri Shakti Award. It feels just awesome. Thank you to TCI. Thank you.
హలో అందరికీ నమస్కారం. నా పేరు షర్మిలా కసాలా. నేను ఒక న్యూట్రిషనిస్ట్ని, యాంకర్ని, యాక్టర్ని. అలాగే ఇక్కడ వచ్చిన స్త్రీలందరూ కూడా, స్త్రీ శక్తులందరూ కూడా అనేక టాలెంట్స్తో పాటు వచ్చారు. అలా అందరి మధ్య నాకు కూడా నా టాలెంట్ గురించి నాకు ఒక రికగ్నిషన్ దొరికినందుకు చాలా చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉంది. నేను కూడా టీసీఐలో ఒక మెంబర్నే, కానీ ఫస్ట్ టైం అప్లై చేశాను అండ్ ఐ రిసీవ్ దిస్ అవార్డ్ అండ్ ఐ ఫీల్ వెరీ వెరీ ప్రౌడ్. అండ్ తెలంగాణలో బ్రతుకమ్మ ఈ ఫెస్టివల్ని కూడా ప్రోత్సహిస్తున్నందుకు ఎంతో సంతోషంగా ఉంది. మన కల్చర్ని మర్చిపోకుండా అలాగే స్త్రీ మూర్తుల యొక్క టాలెంట్ని మొత్తం గుర్తిస్తూ ఈ కార్యక్రమాన్ని చేపడుతున్న టీసీఐ మెంబర్స్ అందరికీ కూడా నా కృతజ్ఞతలు. ఐఎమ్ గ్రేట్ఫుల్ ఫర్ దిస్.
My name is Minku Buddha and I'm the founder director of the Circle of Joy and I'm a mindfulness and a transformation facilitator. And I'm on a very passionate mission to help women all over the world to thrive, to heal, and to empower them so that they become unstoppable at anything that they want to do. So I have three exciting things to share with whoever's listening and whoever needs to listen to this. And the first thing is that my short story has been included in a book of world records. The second thing, I started my own talk show. It's on YouTube under my name, Minku Buddha. So please go like, subscribe, because I am interviewing influencers, motivational influencers from all over the world. Really, and the Sri Shakti Award. Now, what is Sri Shakti? It is the celebration of the feminine divine, which allows us to tap into our unique stories and our potential. So my last word to the universe is that we need to redefine and rehumanize our stories and our personal talents, our personal value systems, so that we can become contributors to a whole collective consciousness and not singularity. So keep smiling till you have teeth and stay joyful, and that's my message. So always chase your dreams, not your fears. Let your actions be louder than your words, as well as I think you should just be in the moment and let your faith be the strongest thing that carries you through. So thank you so much for this opportunity, TCEI. I am really in deep gratitude for this award being conferred on me. Thank you.
Geetika Ganju, thank you TCEI for inviting me here and bestowing this honor on me, Sri Shakti Murthy Award. It's very important that women across the country are recognized for the change that they're driving, because as I always say, driving change in today's world, it's not an easy task. It's very challenging and it's very daunting to often walk the talk. So the women out there who are doing it and who are helping change the world towards a better place must be recognized. Thank you very much. I'm very humbled.
Thank you very much.
Dasara Shubhakankshalu, and thank you very much for all the support that UNews always gives as media to all events. Telangana Chamber of Event Industry has been doing Sri Shakti Awards 4 సంవత్సరాల నుంచి చేస్తున్నారు. ఈ సంవత్సరాలు has been extremely strong with all India participation. Almost 143 registrations వచ్చాయి from India and UAE, and we selected 91 who were participating and judged by the jury as well as the award committee and advisory committee. And finally we shortlisted 40 awards which were given away today. Everybody was present. It was a grand success. Thank you so much, UNews, for supporting us and spreading the news of what events we do. Shana, thanks.
Thank you, madam.